How to change the theme language in Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to change the theme language in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Languages. Here, you will see your current published languages. By default, it's usually English. To add a new language, click on Add Language. Next, click on Select and use the search bar to find the language you want. For example, I will type in the Spanish. Click Add. Now you will see the new language is listed under your published languages. To make it live, click the three dots next to the language you just added and select Publish. To change your default language, click the three dot next to your current default language, which is English. Click Change Default. Click on the drop-down and search for the new language.
That's it. You have successfully changed the theme language. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.